up, everybody? So been looking for some wire for Terminators, Ford Ranger here, and been running low. So I got on Amazon and I was looking for some cheap wire, and I found it for like 40 bucks. So picked up this little kit. Comes with the box, has the holes so you can just pull it out. There's 600 feet here. There's 6 rolls, so 6 rolls of 100. So let's get this unboxed, see what we got. I know it's messy in here. Been trying to get this truck done for them, and just haven't had a lot of time to clean up. So go ahead and get this unboxed. It's nothing fancy, just got 6 of these rolls. This is 14 gauge, it's stranded. They're all individually wrapped here. Here's brand name. So go ahead, pull a little bit through here. And then pretty much you just pull your wire through as you need it. So is it gonna be perfect? No. Is it gonna work? Yeah. And for the most part, it looks pretty good. Like I said, I think it's 40 bucks. I've had some I bought from the hardware store years ago, and I've just slowly been running out. Let me go ahead and flip it around. And of course, you know, if you use common colors, you could probably organize them how you wanted. Now we can just go ahead and throw some tape on there. Alright, so it's our quick little video here. Nice easy pull stuff. They said, yeah, 6 spools here, 100 feet each. That should last more than enough for all the stuff I'm doing around here. So put the link in the description, and make sure you guys go check that out. So catch you on the next one.